Hi, this is Queen File. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I want to apologize in advance for the lighting. My ring light isn't working. It's raining outside, so there's not much any natural sunlight, but I'm going to do the best I can and do this video justice, so to speak. So, I got myself a little package. I'm going to try to, but yeah. In this package came something pretty near and dear to my heart. It's from the brand Enhancedbyamarie. Now, I actually know the owner. We grew up in the same neighborhood. So, she came out with her own brand, and she came out with glosses and eyelashes. Oh, so far she's got two different styles of lashes. See how this one's like nice and fluffy and full. This one's more wispy and spiky, but oh, I love it. I live for this. This reminds me a lot of the Lily lashes, the Miami style, which is personally mine. I think everybody else's favorite style. So there's also some glosses. I love the little baggie. So cute. I love the attention to detail. Now she has, I believe, 4 glosses so far. There's like a red one that's there, and also like a brownish nude color. It's more of a mauve color. And I will add on the video the prices to the glosses and the lashes if you guys are interested. Now, please go support. I have a promo code for all my subscribers. It's FREESHIP, and now we get free shipping off your stuff. So if you want to support an indie brand and an all woman owned brand, like hello, like she did this on her own, go her. I'm so happy for her. I'm going to have all her information and links down below so you guys can check out her shop. Her business card is cute. I like this little thing right here. I'm going to currently wipe off or dab off because I don't want to mess up my makeup, what I have on. You see my lip liner around the okay, nothing on my lips. I'm gonna try out the clear shade first. Now, see, what I am noticing is there's no shade names on the tubes. So I hope in the future that's something she's gonna add. I also noticed that on the lashes as well, that the style of the lashes is, you know, everything is on the website, but on the packaging itself, she doesn't have the style of the lashes. So I hope she does that in the future, so you know, people who are forgetful, such as myself, people ask, hey, you know, what do you got on your eyes, or what do you know, what is this, what do you that, and they're like, you know, well, I'm sorry, I can't tell you. So that is, I think so far my only kind of like, you know, critique would be put the style, the name of the style on your packaging. So okay, I digress. Moving on. I'm gonna try this clear gloss. Gotta smell it. Oh, it smells. Oh, what was that? What am I trying to think of? Like Smacker's lip balm, that's sweet. It's got a sweet scent. I like it. Okay. I mean, you can't really see a clear gloss, but you see the sheen. So, be nice if I had a mirror. Hang on. she pretty, she pretty. You guys see that sheen? I'm a fan. So that was the clear one. And it doesn't feel thick. It's kind of thin. There's no taste, thank God. I don't like lip glosses that have like a taste. It annoys me. It feels very smooth. It's not enhancing like any lip lines, so it kind of fills them in, which is nice. And obviously it's clear, so I can't attest to the color. It's clear. But it's gonna go and work really well with just about any kind of lip liner you guys want to pair with it because it's clear. So that's good. Okay. This one I'm really excited for. This is like the mauve color in her lineup. So pretty. Swatch that right here. Oh my, this one smells even sweeter than the clear. Yeah, they're definitely different scents. This one smells like, I still smell Smacker's lip balm, but, and like cake. Really, really sweet. I like that. So it's the pinky color. Oh yes, this is my everyday color. This is like a Your Lips but better color. Oh yes. Oh my god, yes. This is my favorite. Oh my god, it's stunning. This is definitely a My Lips with Better color. Beautiful. And it goes with today's eye look. I did, you know, kind of a natural moment. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, now for the lashes. Let me see if I can open up the packaging because I haven't opened it yet. This is, oh, it slides out. I'm a dum-dum. So this is the one I'm like dying to try. Look at how pretty and wispy those are. Yes. Let's see, is this gonna fit on my eye or do I have to trim it? Ooh, honey, I'm definitely gonna have to trim this. Oh, they are so dramatic. Oh my gosh. I love. Okay, guys, give me one moment and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Are you guys ready to see the reveal? Okay, I did one of each on each eye. So, as you can see, this one's the one that's like really full and fluffy. This one's more wispy. I kind of spared you guys from watching me do the lash application because it only takes me forever. These didn't really take that long. But, oh my gosh, yes. I love the spacing on this one. Again, reminds me of the Lily Lashes Miami. And this one, oh my goodness, is so, oh, so full and luscious. I probably could have trimmed this one down a little bit more, but I got small eyes. Now, what I will notice is the band on this one seems a little bit thicker than this one. Again, wasn't an issue or problem for me. I'm just putting that out there. But, oh, these lashes are so pretty. So again, go support working girl. Girl that got her own business, making moves. And I'll put more information down at the bottom. So I am so happy and so proud of you. You did your thing. I hope to see more from your brands. and to see what else he has to offer. Like, you know, come on, like give us more lashes, give us more lippies, probably some liquid eyeshadow or something. Ugh, the possibilities are endless, but yes. Or even lip liners. But again, use the promo code free shipping, and let me know what you guys get if you guys end up shopping there. And yeah, I'm so happy to kind of like play around with this. Now, you know me, I'm going to use these lashes until I absolutely can't no more, because that's how I am with lashes. I use them till they're falling apart. But these definitely like some great quality. Like, just look at the band. Amazing. So thank you for watching my video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and have a nice day.